I'm a doll too. Breezy Bree toy review. Hey guys, this is Breezy Bree.
Hey Breezy, would you like to have some tea?
Of course I do. Wait a second, guys. This is not tea, this is a toy. It's Itty Bitty Pretty. So yeah, a big one and a small one. I think we should open up the small one first. Small comes first. Whoa! It's a little pig! Oh my god, this is so funny. And you're supposed to dump it in water, just like tea. And a little girl. And I think this is a bath bomb. For more surprises, whoop! So there's a little stand. And there's this. It's a surprise. So guys, we have our teacup and we have all of our surprises here. And we also have an instruction. So guys, first you need warm water and we'll put the first surprise in. Let's pop it. It is cool. Guys, did you just see that? That was so cool. It feels so slimy. Look guys, it's shoes. Look guys, we got a dress. Okay, now let's put the cube in the tea. You see that guys? It's turning pink. Oh, look at that glitter, guys. A lot of glitter coming up, guys. Can you hold it? Guys, look what came out of the cube. Now let's open the next surprise. Here we go. Oh my God. On to the next surprise, the big blue bag. Now let's open it. Whoa! We have a little cup and we have a teapot. And we have wings. Last but not least, this one. It's slime. Thank you. So guys, this is what we got out of the package. We have bracelets, we have shoes, we have a dress, we have glasses, we have slime, we have wings, we have a teapot, and we have a cup, and we have a doll. So now let's put on the clothes. Okay. Oh, look how pretty she looks. Hey guys, this is Breezy Bree. If you like my videos, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell. Okay guys, it's time for me to go. Now, on to the big teacup. Ooh, this one's different because it has a spoon. Are you ready to open this with me? Let's go. Look at all the surprises inside! Whoa, we have two! got cute little shoes. And we got a cute little dress. Now it's time for the next one. So anyway. Whoa! Look, guys! Look at her dress. Little bracelet. And we got little cute boots. So now let's put those two cubes in. So first, put in the blue one. Did you hear that? Guys, look at the glitter! Oh my god, so much glitter. Guys, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got an earring. We got another earring. So guys, in this cube we got 2 earrings. Now let's see what's in the other cube. Now let's put the other cube in the water. Now let's see what we got. Look at my hand. Oh my god. So yellow. Look guys, I found an earring. And another earring. Look guys, we found both earrings. So guys, which one should we open now? We're going to open these 2 yellow ones. Ooh, a hairband and glasses. And this one, we got golden glasses and cat ears hairband. Guys, now which one should we open? I think these 2 blue ones. Oh, look! So cute! And a little cup. And now let's open up the second one. Oh, yellow tiger! Fancy tiger. We also got a little cup. And now which one should we open? I think these 3 bags. We got yellow slime. And I think this is going to be purple slime. And I am right. Purple slime. Purple slime. Now what one should we open? The dog or the surprise? I think we should open this one. Hey guys, these are 2 to make our own table. That's really amazing. Right? I think these surprises. Okay, now let's open. We got a hairbrush and a mini teapot. Now let's open this. We got plates. We got plates. We got cups. Last but not least, these 2 dogs. This one. Whoa! Look at her. She's a meow. this one. Ah! Wow, she's really cool. So guys, look at all these accessories we have. Tea time. You can get time to the food. You have bows. You can put accessories on. So guys, these are the 3 dolls that I got. These are the 3 fluffy slimes. The best part, when you're done opening all these up, you can put them in here as a storage container. Now you won't lose any accessories. That's amazing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed opening this with me. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun too. And guys, remember to be nice and kind to other people. Bye! Look at my fingers now. So glittery. Glitter. Ah, so slippery.